William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet is one of the most famous love stories ever written. With its powerful portrayal of passionate love, familial conflicts, sacrifices, and tragic deaths, many people believe it is based on real events. And the story itself is often celebrated as a standard for what true love should be. However, both of these assumptions are incorrect. Although the story feels so real because of its emotional resonance and relatable struggles, it is entirely a work of imagination. Its characters and events are not rooted in reality. Romeo and Juliet is a fictional play written by William Shakespeare in the 16th century CE, designed to teach a valuable lesson about the power of love, the destructive nature of hate, the danger of impulsive decisions, and the impact of family feud. Shakespeare was inspired by earlier literary works, including Arthur Brooks' The Tragical History of Romeo and Juliet, published in 1562, which itself was based on Pierre Boistuau's Histoire tragique de Roméo et Juliette, a part of Histoires tragiques that was published in 1559. Boistuau's story is a French translation of Matteo Bandello's Italian tale. Bandello's Giulietta e Romeo, a part of Nouvelle Collection, which was published in 1554, in turn, was influenced by Luigi da Porto's earlier version, Giulietta e Romeo, a part of Storia novellamente ritrovata di due nobili amanti, which is completed in 1530. The city of Verona, Italy, where the story of Romeo and Juliet takes place, was indeed a real city founded in the 1st century BC. However, there is no historical documentation from the city of Verona that confirms the existence of the characters or events in Shakespeare's play. Although Italian history is filled with stories of feud and rivalries among the noble families during the Middle Ages and Renaissance, there is no strong evidence that two families named Montagues and Capulets were involved in a real-life feud in Verona or in any other Italian city during that period. While none of the characters and events in the play are historical, Verona has adapted the myth of Romeo and Juliet to boost its tourism. They capitalize on its association with Shakespeare's play by offering tourist sites related to the story, such as Juliet's house, Juliet's tomb, and Romeo's house.